Looking for glow makeup for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, by UV Glow. A great gift idea for this coming Christmas. Tap the link below for our full gift guide list. Number 2, now you can always look your best with natural, even lighting that's bright enough to see the finest details, but with a softness that guarantees you apply the perfect amount of makeup every time, by Studio Glow. Number 3, by Moon Glow. One of the most wished for in 2018. A must-check on our Christmas holiday gift guide. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.